Hi, this is Dan with TriStar Manufacturing, also known as Shark Tooth Sifter. I'm going to show you today how to replace the handle off of your basket for your rake. You're going to get the handle in the mail. It's going to come in a box. It's going to come nicely wrapped. We've got the 3 different size bolts that you need. It's split for our shipping purposes, and you're going to need a 11/32 socket and a 3/8 socket. So some of our hardware, most of our hardware now is all 3/8, except for the small bolt at the bottom of the rake, which is a rivet which you'll have to drill out from the rake that you have now. So we're going to take our 3/8 and a Phillips head screwdriver, undo the bolt, grab our 3/16 drill bit, drill out the rivet. You might have the little piece of the rivet sitting in there, and you just got to grab a pair of pliers and pull it out. And we're going to grab our new handle and a knife, and we're going to be careful not to cut the rubber grip or mar any of the paint. We're going to go ahead and pull our pin with the label facing up and the curved part down. We're going to stick our handle in, make sure our hole lines up, put the pin through. Now they're split for our shipping purposes, like I said, but if you so choose, you can also, when you get home from the beach, you can pull the pin, pull it apart, rinse it really well, and hit it with some lubricant so that it doesn't seize up. If you choose not to ever pull it apart, we can just leave the pin in there, just rinse the rake down, and you'll prolong the life of everything. So now we've got our 2 bolt sizes here, and the other one fell on the floor, unfortunately. So, take our bolts off. Get our old handle out of the way. Line this up. Put our screw in. Turn it upside down. Make sure that when you set your nut down to grab it with a pair of pliers to get it inside the basket, that the white nylon piece is sticking up. And then we're going to put it on our nut. You might have to move some of the mesh out of the way just a little bit inside the basket. And then again, Make sure that we grab the white side up of the nut. Grab our Phillips screwdriver. And just thread it in. And tighten her down. We're going to start at the top, and with our 7/32 drill bit, you kind of want to look at the rake, turn it a little bit to try and get it nice and straight, and then you want to drill right into the middle of the rake. The smaller bolt, the middle size bolt that you get, goes up in the top. Take your drill, drill out the middle bolt. Take our other bolt. Through. It will be on an angle, but that'll be okay. Take our screwdriver and our ratchet. And then just tighten it down as snug as you can get it. You don't want to go too snug because you might snap the bolt. Right there is good. Let me go up to the top one. Do the same thing. Tight. And then take the basket and then just twist it a little bit to get it nice and straight. And there you go. There's a completed rake. Brand new handle, ready to keep sifting.